The cryptocurrency bull run is here. And every single day, people ask me which tokens should we be buying for massive gains over the next year. Because ultimately, we believe a crypto cycle is about 4 years, of which 3 are amazing, right? But those already started about 2 years ago. So right now, there's about 1 year left of crazy, amazing gains. And luckily for you, that's the best year. Because in that year is where Bitcoin gets to the highest point ever and where altcoins just absolutely soar. Now, when taking a look at CoinMarketCap, the most popular platform to look at cryptocurrencies, there's a ton of different ones, right? Thousands. If I had to tell you the most bullish sector, I tell you it's different for 2 kinds of people. On the one hand, I've got people that really, they prefer certainty over everything else. Meaning, even though nothing in crypto is certain, right? Nothing in life really is certain. And I'm not a financial advisor. There's a bundle of tokens that you could get yourself that have a very high probability of winning. And we kind of, in crypto, all know that. On the opposite side, you've got coins that are really hyped up right now, really in the limelight, that have a very high probability of doing well over the next few months. And it's just the most hyped up sector right now that a lot of people that only watch YouTube videos still might not know about. If you're on Twitter, you've probably heard this a long time, all the time, but on YouTube, I've noticed almost nobody is talking about it. And so let me quickly say, if you are looking for certainty before we go over into the sector that's most hyped up, I'd say if you just stick to only tokens in the top 20, or let's just say top 25, apart from the stablecoins, you will most likely be fine and most likely get yourself pretty crazy gains over the next few months. Because we expect the run to still continue on to roughly what? Maybe between July and December of next year. So by getting in now, in my opinion, you're still quite early. It's kind of so that from the top, you get least amount of gains, from the bottom you get more, but it's not completely true, as some coin like Shiba Inu might not actually be more bullish than Cardano ADA, for example. And Pepe might, for example, be way more bullish than Litecoin. Out of this whole list, the only one I would never get into is Litecoin, by the way. But hey, bull markets are crazy times. Sometimes crazy coins do crazy things. Now, if I had to talk about my most bullish sector, though, let me quickly say, guys, if you're still looking for a platform to trade on, check out the link down below to Blowfin. It's where I'm trading my cryptos right now and where you can buy cryptos, do whatever. Right now, we've got a pretty cool competition going on. The more you trade, the more you get for free, like a watch or even a Tesla. We're also trading on there live in some of these live streams. And there's a pretty massive team competition going on right now in which we're in about 29th place. So just make sure you check it out. Our team is already winning $2,100 plus $1,800, so roughly $4,000, but we could get it more, right? That's what I'm aiming for. So in terms of sectors that I think will do best this crypto bull run, it's right here. It's AI memes. And it's kind of funny, right? It's just AI was the hottest thing in the earlier part of the season, which was roughly December to April. That was when AI popped off. All these coins were going absolutely crazy. Even now, they're still doing okay, but generally, none of them have beaten those highs that we saw earlier throughout this year, where a lot of other coins really didn't pop off. It was mostly just these AI coins. Bitcoin obviously hit a small all-time high, but hey. Now, throughout that period, so since March, let's say March to May, a lot of coins have fallen off or had fallen off until right around last month, right? One of the sectors that did really well, though, throughout that time is memes. So it's kind of funny how AI really took over earlier in the year. Then it went over into meme coins, which are doing well right now and have done well throughout the whole period. And right now, there's a specific subgenre of memes called these AI memes, which are probably the most hyped up thing. Caveat: these are very volatile. Caveat number 2, it's not like it's a guarantee that this is going to stay. But I will say that if I had to name one thing that a lot of people right now are saying is going to be the next big thing, I would either say memes, AI coins, or AI memes. So anyway, Miles just said, we're starting to see the beginning of a fully powerful rotation into utility. AI being the clear front runner, I'm posting a thread tonight which reveals my full AI portfolio plus thesis. Follow and turn notifications on. By the way, if you do not have your notifications on for this channel, you're missing out. But it's generally because the most important man in crypto, often regarded as CZ, said, I'm not against memes, but meme coins are getting a little weird now. Let's build real applications using blockchain. And then later he said, AI tagging or AI data in general is well fitted to be done on chain. Harness low-cost labor globally without geographic bias, pay them in crypto instantly. BNB Greenfield provides the storage capacity. More tooling still needs to be built. Let's build them. And so I'm right now in the middle between AI memes because it's just easier to understand, way easier to make gains, and just AI coins in general. But the problem is many of the coins that are in this list, right, I'm being fully honest with you, are kind of useless. They even bundled a couple of coins together in this FET, right, this Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Now, one thing I can say is I think it will probably do well, FET, over time, but it proved a point that a lot of these tokens on their own are not necessarily that useful, as they could just be replaced. I hold a lot of IONET. I hold a lot of these coins, by the way, so I'm not trying to, kind of bash in my own skull there, but I'm being honest with you when I say that I think there's an even more bullish thesis for AI. And by the way, a lot of these coins, they're based on these AI agents on Twitter that just keep posting and acting as if they're real humans. And a lot of these are from very, very massive companies like the A16Z one. Some of them, by the way, are just random scams that are in this list. So I'm not saying you should go fully only buy these things. One is freaking called Fartcoin. What are we talking about? I see the camera was stuck there for a little bit. But again, I'm also cautioning you guys right now that this will be some very, very volatile era. But whenever I talk to people right now that are very, very dentured into the crypto space, they're very well in, the only thing they keep coming up to me with is saying, hey, these AI coins, these AI memes, that's what everybody's going for. A lot of them you might not even find on CoinMarketCap yet. You might have to stay in the DEX screener trenches for that. And again, look at this. It's just shredded, 45% down in a day. I'm warning you, this will be a difficult journey. I'm just saying, from all the logical explanations I've heard, that AI/memes, very, very hot, right? Both of them seem to be the #1 contender for the run. Even though right now, phase-wise, we are actually in the Ethereum phase, not yet onwards. Again, we still have a few months of just slow gaining to do, by the way, so don't overdo yourself by trying to want everything too quick. But if I'm saying a little bit further down, what is going to be the best narratives? It's been memes for a while. At the start of the year was AI. What about AI memes? They look really, really solid here. Anyway, to get back to it though, if you just want to stick with AI and memes separately, it also makes sense. But those are my most bullish narratives right now. It really, there's no second best. I can tell you, no, utility coins in the sense of all the dinosaurs like XRP for finance purposes, XLM and all those. Yeah, it makes sense too. But those have been around for so freaking long and the gains are quite limited. I think you do really well on a coin like XRP. I think so, right? I think you do really well on older coins that have shown their holders' propensity to hold, so to speak. But if we're talking real gains over a prolonged period of time, I think they're really going to stick more towards AI. Look at the coin at the top right there, damn. And again, memes, and then perhaps now AI memes. So just wanted to quickly bring that up. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not finished advice. And you might be asking yourself, Dusty, why didn't you tell me the exact coins that are going to probably pop off? The main reason is because I'm also not 100% sure. I hold a basket of these coins, but I can't tell you with confidence, oh, this really looks solid, or this one is better for that reason, or this reason, that. All I'm saying is, if you're on Twitter, you probably would have noticed by now that everybody is talking about the AI and AI coin narrative. But on YouTube, it seems very overlooked. Many people have not even thought about it or knew that it existed. So that's why I'm quickly bringing it up, because a lot of the coins that these things are based on, the AI memes, a lot of the agents that are based on are Twitter agents that just post every single day on Twitter. But again, if you only watch YouTube videos, you might have never seen one come by. Hence, I thought it would be wise to make a little video update. But like I said, they're all, to me, kind of dumb. Like, honest truth, I don't know why a token like that would do well, but the whole idea is, well, it's an AI where the token makes to me, it kind of is dumb, but that doesn't mean it doesn't or won't do well, which is why I keep bringing it up, saying, hey, this is really something worth looking into for all of y'all if you haven't done it yet, because it might be just the most profitable sector over the next few months. And I just wanted to quickly put it out there. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure you put the notification bell on. Make sure you press the like button if you enjoyed it. And if you're looking to trade, as I said before, there's some links down below to Blofin. Just check them out.